Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, then you definitely love my channel, so make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. In today's video, we are going to FENDI on Rodeo Drive. Now, I absolutely love the FENDI location on Rodeo Drive. Not only are they just so friendly, but they just have such a huge selection, especially of exotic handbags. But we will also get to see their new spy bag as well. And the spy bag, I have to say, I absolutely love because it's just so genius, like the inside and the compartments of it all. So without any further ado, let's go to FENDI and see what they have to offer. We're now in FENDI on Rodeo Drive, and the first bag we see is just absolutely so cute. Personally, I love this bag. I even love the fringe on the side of it. Even the cute little whale hanging off it is just so adorable. However, on the inside, it's a very good inside because you do have the zipper compartment plus two inner compartments as well. And honestly, this bag is just so fantastic. I highly recommend it. We do have it in a lighter blue version as well, and this time we can really see the strap of the bag. It's nice, it's thick, so it's not going to fall off your shoulder, and it looks like it can honestly carry a lot and a good weight to it as well. But let's just take a minute to appreciate how cute that bunny is. And it's just so beautiful. Again, I highly recommend it. Now, the style, to be honest, I actually really do love this. It's actually on my list to get just because when you do hang it down, I love how it says Fendi on the bottom of it. And as a nice, cute little like hobo shoulder bag, this is so great. But the light blue one with the embroidery is just so beautiful. Absolutely love that. We are taking a look at the high heel section from the women and a lot of cute options, but I do have to say that their slippers right here, their slides, that's actually so cute and perfect for the summer. Plus that material. I didn't actually feel the material, but I think it might actually be silk. And that silk on your skin is just going to be such a fabulous feeling. My essay at Fendi was actually so kind enough to go into the back of the store and pull out the new Fendi Spy bags. Now, these bags, I have to say, they're so practical and convenient that because of that, I do recommend it. Like this spot right here, this pouch is actually perfect to keep your medication in. So, like, how perfect would that be? Like, for me, I definitely think of like a mom or like a grandmother. Of course, they usually have like all their medications. That's the perfect spot, nice and easy to find it. So, I absolutely love that detail of it. However, when you do go ahead and open it, you can't see that there's just so much that this bag has to offer. Like, there's just so much room. You do have the Fendi canvas on the inside of it. There is room for a strap as well right there. And it's just so perfect. So you could do it crossbody, shoulder, put it over your arm. So many different ways you could wear this bag. Right now we are looking at the smaller version in black. And the small version is a really, really cute size. However, if you want to put everything in your life inside it, definitely go for the medium size because the medium size would be perfect. They do have a newer style as well, and this one is actually specifically for the men's, I believe. And it's just so cute and so perfect because look, it's nice and simple, but right there you can see the FFs for the Fendi. It's just so cute. And then of course we can all say hi to my lovely friend Rash Fear. However, these baguette bags, I have to say, if I had to get any of the bags I have shown you so far, it would be the large version of this baguette bag, or maybe this is in the medium size with the cute little apple charm hanging off it. But it's just so cute and it's nice, it's slouchy, it's an amazing leather, and honestly, this would be a fantastic everyday bag. However, they do have their classic baguette as well, and this baguette, I do really want it, but the thing with me is they're just so hard to open and close because it is just a button opening, so you have to make sure you button it properly, and it's kind of hard to, get it buttoned, to be honest. However, the smaller version of it, the mini bag, is just so adorable and cute. They actually did have one from the Fendace collection. I did wish I did get the Fendace version of this bag, and I actually still really want it. Traveling upstairs, we did see this gorgeous mannequin, and I love their ensemble, especially paired with that Wicca bag. It's just so cute. This is like totally like Kris Jenner going to like Capri, and this is just so beautiful. However, they do have a wall of fur. This is every single style and color of fur that they do have, and it's just so soft to touch, and it's just so beautiful. Now, you know me, I love, love, love my furs. I hate hunting, but I do love fur. So Fendi, I absolutely love that. And then we have their massive staircase as well. Now, upstairs in the women's section, a lot of really cute items. Definitely a better selection than the Prada clothes this season, I can definitely say. However, now we have all of their highly treasured bags. We have rare bags and exotics, and they're all of the peekaboos and baguettes. So there's just so many cute options here. First, let's go ahead and start with the sequin baguette bag. And this is so cute because it does have the glitter detailing on the actual hardware. Now, you might be thinking it's diamonds, but it's not. It's just like the glitter material. But this bag is just so cute. They even do have it in pink as well. And the pink one was actually featured on Sex and the City. I think it's actually the newer version of Sex and the City. So it's technically called And Just Like That. But Sarah Jessica Parker does have this bag, and it's so cute. However, they have this one right here, which looks a little bit more retro, and to me, it actually looks very, very Versace-like as well, because those little circles, to me, kind of look like little Medusa heads. This light pink peekaboo is just the most beautiful color ever. I love it just so much, but I just have the beautiful shoes to match it, and looking at the details of the shoes, they're just so exquisite and delicate and just so, like, elegant. It even has this matching top, and the embroidery on this top is just so beautiful, especially with the crystals that's included on this top. It's just so gorgeous. However, I fell so in love with this lizard peekaboo. Now, reptile bags, I'm not a fan of reptile bags just because when you touch them with your actual hand, you can feel the scales because, it's a lizard, it's a snake. However, I don't like that feeling, but it's just so beautiful to look at as well. So if they had like a fake real leather embossed version, I would recommend that more than the actual real exotic skins. However, here we do have the alligator. Now, it technically might be crocodile, but I do get confused between alligator and crocodile because in all honesty, they look the same to me. But that is just such a beautiful color. However, up here we have this vibrant dark blue color, and this is just such a royal rich color that this one is absolutely phenomenal. Next, we do have this very nice burgundy red, but this is in the ostrich leather. And again, I don't really care for the ostrich leather just because I don't like all of the prims and pokes inside of it. However, they do also have it in this beautiful tan color as well. But in all honesty, the other color is just so much more vibrant and better. Now, this one is made out of lizard, and this one is just so cool because of the fade of it. Now, the fade of it is so hard to actually get done, especially with exotic skins. So right now I can tell you that there's a lot of work that was put into this bag. Now, of course, they do have it in the classic lizard as well, which is just beautiful black. However, it does look like this could just be calfskin leather, grained leather, but it's not. This is actually still lizard. However, for all of the exotics, if I had to get one, obviously I would get the dark gray peekaboo right there because it's just so perfect. Now, that's actually technically in the men's section as well. So you're going to get a nice big bag for your buck. And honestly, this is just so beautiful. I love, love, love the gray color of it. However, when you do scroll up again, you see that beautiful, vibrant blue. And this color is just so phenomenal. I would love, 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 love this bag, but in a larger size. However, I must say that I know I said I wanted that other gray peekaboo, but this one right here, I actually think I might have to get this because it's just so beautiful. I love the fact that you can see the FFs for the FENDI print and the canvas. However, I know the mesh material might be a little off-putting, but on the Dior Obliques, they have the same material, like on my shoes, as they do on this bag. And my shoes I've had for 5 years, and the mesh is honestly perfect on it. So that tells me right now that the mesh is very, very high quality and it will last and stand the test of time. And then, of course, we can't forget the classic plain leather one. This one is just calfskin leather that's grained. So beautiful. You honestly cannot go wrong with it. Again, I would love this one as well because they're just so classic and great for every moment. Now, of course, when it comes to that spy bag, I absolutely love that spy bag because it's just so functional on the inside. And you know me, I love a bag that is just like high top functional. So it's just absolutely great. And what I mean by that is you can just put your entire life in it. And it's just so convenient. Every little pocket, every little divot, it's just so perfect. Honestly, the exotics were just absolutely so perfect, especially those crocodile peekaboos. I loved them so much, especially the dark blue one, the dark gray one, but even the bags at the very end, like the canvas one, it's just so cute. Now, when it comes to Fendi, they are really, really great quality. They are very high in price, especially these days with the price increases. But again, the quality is great, especially on the canvas pieces, because the only bag that I do have from Fendi would technically be my Fendace La Medusa, part Versace, part Fendi, but like the canvas on it is just so great and high quality, so I actually really, really love it, and I do recommend it. But again, thank you so much for watching, I truly do appreciate it, and you, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite part of this video, and have a great day. Au revoir.